Welcome to the Custom Use Case Scaled Score Configuration User Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of setting up a fully customizable scaled score system that fits your unique assessment needs. This guide is perfect for educators who need flexibility in designing assessments while maintaining a structured scoring system. Start by entering your username and password to securely log into your account. Navigate to the Assessments module located in the top navigation bar. Select the assessment for which you want to enable scaled score configuration. Navigate to the assessment settings. Scroll down to Assessment Configuration and enable Scaled Score Configuration by toggling on this feature. Click the Configure button to customize the scaled score settings. Configuring this ensures that student scores reflect a customizable grading system. Select Generic Assessment Type from the drop-down. This ensures a fully SAT customizable structure, allowing you to modify all configuration options as needed to fit various testing needs. Decide the assessment structure between a module-based layout, which groups sections into broader categories, or a section-based layout, where each section is configured separately. The first method for raw score calculation is weighted mean. This approach assigns different weights to questions based on their difficulty level. Harder questions can contribute more to the total score, while easier questions may have lower weight, ensuring a balanced scoring system. To apply this method, we can assign custom values for different difficulty levels. Here, you can set weights below 1 for each difficulty level to control how much each type of question influences the final score. This flexibility allows educators to emphasize specific question difficulties. The second method is mapped scoring. This approach is where you can create a predefined table where customized scores and values are mapped. Instead of weights, this method ensures that given values are converted consistently according to an established grading score. Decide how final scores will be calculated. It can be done by summing all section scores or by averaging them for a more balanced total. Set score intervals in multiples of 10 to ensure that final scores are rounded consistently to the nearest whole number. Name your units according to your specific sectional assessment structure. Define the minimum and maximum score range based on the specific grading criteria of your SAT sectional assessment. Select the sections required and ensure the total number of questions. Once all values and settings are finalized, click Save Scaled Score Configuration to apply the changes. Finally, click Update Assessment before sharing the test with students to ensure all changes are applied.